期我也会尝试，就是之前的3部电影都是，因为我是来自安多，所以可能在环境，可能在各个方面，可能安多拍摄起来稍微宽松一些，稍微方便一些。但是从下一步开始，我也会尝试，会那个微藏方言或者用康区的方言来尝试不同的电影。
So in terms of his next projects in the next 5 to 10 years, he doesn't think there will be any change in terms of his direction. He has got 3 manuscripts, 2 of which have passed the censorship or inspection, if you will, and he'll start shooting them either next year or the year after. So far, since he's from Amdo or Qinghai province, most of his movies so far have been shot in Qinghai. However, for his next project or next projects, he may also, because I think many of you here already know Amdo is outside TAR, so politically the environment is more relaxed.